Hello, in our last episode, I showed you how you can create packages in WHM. I also taught you how you can create cPanel accounts for clients manually inside WHM. In this episode, I'm going to show you how you can install a software called WHMCS. Now, this is WHMCS official website. We use this software to automate web hosting businesses. Let me take you to pricing. And this WHMCS. It's a paid software, but if you stick around, I'll show you how you can get this software. So I will leave a link in the description of this video. Click on that link and you'll be able to access this software. I'll be giving you access to this software completely for free. So go ahead, click on that link that says get WHMCS here, and you will be asked to download your WHMCS application or software. So I assume you've downloaded your software. Let's go ahead and access our software. Your software will come in this format, in a zip format. Please, let's upload this software to our cPanel. So I'll take you to cPanel. Let me close this page and then let's log in, and we are in our cPanel. Let's upload our script. So scroll down and go to File Manager. Click on File Manager. Open public_directory. Remember that buildings folder asks you to create. This is where we'll be uploading our WHMCS application. Please open that folder and click on Upload. Let's go to our folder where we download our WHMCS software, and we drag it and drop it inside this directory. Let's leave it and wait for this application to get uploaded onto our web directory. Whilst we wait for this software to get uploaded, let's go back to cPanel, and we have to create what we call database. We're going to connect this software to our cPanel through database connection. To do so, please go on top and click here and type DB. Scroll down and click on MySQL databases. Once the page is fully loaded, please click on HMCS DB and then click on Create Database. We have successfully created our database. Click here to go back. Let's scroll down, and we're going to create a user for our database. To create your user, click here, WHMCS, put user. After entering your username, let's enter password for our user. Click on password generator. Let's copy this password, copy, and then accept and click on use password. It's important you paste this password somewhere because we will need it later down the line during the connection process when we are connecting our WHMCS to our database. With that out of the way, go back to your database interface and click on Create User, and our user is created successfully. Click here to go back. Next up, scroll down and we're going to connect our WHMCS, our database, to our user. Okay, automatically this is selected for us, user and our database. Click here to add these two pieces together. After seeing this page, click on all privileges, scroll down and click on make changes. Success. We've successfully connected or allowed privileges, assigned privileges to this database and this user. Now let's scroll back to the top and leave this page opened. Now let's go back to our upload page and see our progress. Hey guys, I want to teach you another trick. Okay, a very cool trick. Now let's say you want to download a big file from the internet. What do you use? You use an IDM, that's Internet Download Manager, and this helps in what? Downloading the file faster. Now for some, let's say you're also uploading a file to your cPanel. I want to teach you this because there are times your clients will want you to upload something through cPanel, and this might take longer to upload. So I'll be using, and because of this poor internet connection thing, I would like to show you a different trick you use to upload files to cPanel. There's this tool, very, very important, that you need as a web hosting provider. Just put Wins, okay, that's Windows, CP. Click on this link. Once the page is fully loaded, scroll down and download the one that is appropriate for your operating system. So let's download this for your Windows, which is 11 megabyte. After downloading it, you run it as a normal software. All right. Once that is done, open it. So I assume you've downloaded it and you have also run this software. So just open it. After opening your application, right, let's now close this. I can see let's enter our host, and that's your website name. Just go to your site or your IP address. So this can be your IP address or your site name. Go to cPanel and click on cPanel logo. After cPanel is fully loaded, copy your IP. Copy. Go to your software. We'll paste that host here. Username. Enter your cPanel username. So I'll click and type my username and then password. So again, I go to my dashboard and copy my password. Copy password. Go to our application and then let's paste that here. Make sure it is SFTP and click on login. Let's wait for a successful login. And we are in our cPanel, public_HTML. Double click on that. Go to billing, double click. And this way we're going to upload our what? WHMCS. Also navigate to wherever you have your WHMCS downloaded here. You can use this to navigate to this desktop. And then you just grab it, drag it, and then drop it here. Now let's wait for this file to get uploaded. So this will not waste time at all. And our software is successfully uploaded like this. So now let's go back to our cPanel. Go to public_html/billing, and this is your software. Please right click on it and click on extract. Click on extract again and wait, and our software will be extracted successfully. Successfully extracted. Close it, reload. Good job. Scroll down, see this, right click and delete, skip, and then confirm. Good. So now let's open a new tab and type our site. So that's nyezinahhost. Just type nyezinahhost and put /billing. Put billing because that's where WHMCS is installed. That's the folder. Billing, hit enter. Click on begin installation. So let's click on this link, scroll down and click on accept. Scroll again and click on begin installation. Please enter a purchase code, your purchase code here. I'll paste my code here. Scroll, enter your database username. Remember the page I asked you, your database page I asked you to leave open. We need those details now. So go ahead, paste your details here. Database password. I hope you can still remember the password I asked you to, your SQL password. This is the time we need it, so put the password here. And then finally your database username, copy, go, and then it's here. After that, click on continue. Enter. So now these details are for your WHMCS personalization purposes. So they need your first name, last name, email, username, password. This username and password are the details, your login details. All right. So enter those things there. I have entered my details. I'll click on complete setup and wait for the software to complete its setup. Good job. First, let's delete our install folder. It's called an installer. So let's delete that. I'll take you back to file manager. Scroll. Just go to billing and then you see a folder called install. Delete it. Delete. Go back, and there are some steps here we need to follow to secure our WHMCS. Just click here to go to your WHMCS area. Enter your username and password, those details you entered during the setup. So we enter those things here. So I'll enter this is my admin's name and then my password. Don't worry about these details. All right, I'll delete everything after the video. Click on login and you'll be redirected to your dashboard just like this. Now the first thing you see is this startup wizard. This is what we'll use to set up or to get up and running. In case you don't see that, in case it's not there, just go to this icon and go to setup wizard and it will come right up. So let me now take you through quickly how to set up this startup wizard. After that, we'll now do, in our next episode, we'll do what we call the general configuration of WHMCS, and that's where we'll start setting up products and services in WHMCS. With that out of the way, let's now go ahead and set up WHMCS for the first time. Just click on next, enter your company name. So let's say enter your company name here. If you have logo for your business, just upload that here. Email, enter your email here. So I'll enter my email. Make sure you enter a valid email. I would recommend you to create a business email inside of cPanel. So go to cPanel and then make sure you create a business email. Just click on email account, click on create an email like this, admin, give it a random password and click on create. We'll be using this email for administrative purposes. That's why I guess should you have to create one. So paste that there, paste your address. So I'll put my address here, my physical location here. All right, country, pick your country here. And leave language as default. Your WHMCS system URL, leave it as default, and then click on next. This is where we set up our payment method. Right now PayPal is there. This is the first or the best one you to get up and running, and PayPal is not supported in some countries, so you can disable it like this and disable this. But for now, let's just enable it. We'll later disable it. Those of you who already have PayPal, go ahead and enter your PayPal email here. So I'll enter a test email. This is not a valid email, so that I'll get up and running, and later I'll go and remove it because PayPal is not supported in my country. So I'll click on next. This is where you set up domain names. Please, you can price your domains here, and this price will cut across all your domains. If you put 15 here, it means all your domains will be 15, 15, 15. Later I'll show you how to set up domains. Enum is a reseller program, domains reseller program, or registrar, domains registrar. You can create an Enum account and then connect it to your site. That way you'll be able, domain reseller will be enabled completely. For now, we don't want to use Enum. Later in the video, or later in this tutorial videos, I'll show you how a better solution. Okay, we don't want to use Enum. Click on next. And finally, this is where we connect our WHMCS to our cPanel or our hosting account. So we need to enter host here, or IP address. Now, where do you get these details? Please go back to your cPanel. No, not your cPanel, but your hosting dashboard. Just go to reseller account. That's the email you just received from MakihoHost. Copy your IP. So copy your IP address. This is your IP address. You can also enter your website name there. All right. You can also enter your website name there. Just put your website name like this, and then go back and paste your website username. Go back to your email, your welcome email, copy your username, which is here. Go back to software, paste your username here. Passwords, the same thing. Go and copy your password, paste it here. After that, verify the connection. If you verify this connection and get a success message, it means we've successfully connected our reseller hosting account to our own web hosting, and this will automate cPanel creation. All right, this will remove the manual process of creating cPanel for clients. We'll just click on verify and see if this will work, and successfully it has worked. Now automatically our IP address is here. Just copy this IP address, copy, and then Okay, so we enter our name service. All right, so remember those name servers I asked you to create. If you cannot remember, go back and watch that video. I can't remember whether it's video 2 or 3. Go ahead and watch that video. So your name servers, paste those name servers here, and your name servers will come in this format. All right, we set up name servers. Let me confirm that quickly. So we set up name servers in video 2. Go ahead and watch part 2 of this series. Check that, and then paste your name servers here, and then so we have name server 1 and name server 2. Paste those here and click on next. After that, click on next and finish. This way you've successfully connected your reseller account to your own web hosting to automate your business. So right now we've successfully installed WHMCS, which is a piece of billing software we use to automate web hosting services, and is used by web hosting companies to automate all these things. Let me show you something quickly here. Go to settings, go to system settings, type here server, click on servers, and your server is here. You can add multiple servers onto this website or on your website. So let's say you've exhausted you want to buy multiple servers. All right, from a queue host, you buy a second server. Maybe you have filled your reseller tray. Let me just take you there. Go to hosting services and click on reseller hosting. Once the page is fully loaded, click on get started now. All right, so now the question is, what happens if you fill your server? Right now we are on basic plan, that's reseller 1. If you fill the server, you simply upgrade inside of your dashboard. So you go to your dashboard, click on services, click on your reseller 1, that's your package. Scroll down and you see upgrade, downgrade. Click on upgrade and make sure, because we first ordered 12 months billing plan, just go with the same billing format. All right, so go with 12 and click on choose product, and you will be this reseller 2. All right, so we are moving from reseller 1 to reseller 2. All right, that's how you upgrade. Now let's say you've upgraded to reseller 3 and you have exhausted this and your resources. How do you go by that? The simple answer is you buy a new service. So just come here and click on order new service and buy reseller 1 again. So just go to reseller hosting, buy reseller 1 again, and you start filling this server. Once you purchase this server, this reseller 1, this package, you get details, your login details to that server. Grab those details. After grabbing those details, go back here and click on add new server. Enter the IP address or your host, which in this case is going to be your website address. So nyezinahosting.com is also going to be like that. Make sure the model here is cPanel. Enter the username that you had from a key host after purchasing that, your second package. Enter those details here and just click on test connection, and everything will be connected. And your clients will be, you can now host other clients on your second server. All right, and you continue with that server till you complete it. So that's how it works, and that's what I want to show you quickly. Let's go back and I'll show you one last thing about servers. Please, you see your server, you can change your server's name. Click here, and then let's give our server name as maybe server 1, right? Server 1. So you can have server 1, server 2 onwards. If you don't want server 1, you can say S1 like this, and this will be server 1. The next time you get, when you fill the server and you are acquiring a new server, that server you name it server 2, and this is for identification purposes. All right, you can increase the number of accounts you can host on that server to 500 or whatever, but it's recommended that, all right, when you feel it will be very bad, okay, to fill this server with 100 clients, I think 80 clients is okay, because there's a big risk putting all your clients in that one basket. So what I would do is, maybe I'll put 50 clients on this server, buy another server, and put 50 clients on the other server, in case we don't know. All right, you will not lose all your clients, but that doesn't happen, okay? But that's just my advice. Maybe 80 clients. You can also put all your clients there, okay? So that's a quick tip about servers. Now your name servers are here, okay, and your clients will be using these. All right, your clients will see this in their dashboards and not Makiko host. And that's why we set up name servers, custom name servers, or private name servers in video 2. If you have not watched that, go ahead and watch that. Before we forget, let's paste our IP here and here. So grab your IP and let's first white list our IPs here. So put your IP there, scroll down, and then paste your IP here and then here. After that, you see here, server status address. We have to also paste our status address here. So how do you get our status address? Let me check your sites and see if, so put your site name /billing. Let's reload again because the site is still, my browser is still holding the cached data. Scroll down, and let's see if we get status here. All right, we have network status. Copy that address. Yes, copy that address. Go back and paste your status address, your server status address here. Very important. This will help clients know the status of your site. Let me take you to Makiko host and show you Makiko host status right now. Let me see network status. Let's click on network status. And right now, this is the status, the network status of Makiko host. There are no network issues. So clients will see this on your website as well. Now let's go back to your host and then make sure you paste that there. That's your network status. Scroll down. If you want to disable the server, let's click here to disable the server. Continue scrolling and click on save changes, and your WHMCS will update. All right, so thank you for watching this training video. Hoping to see you in my next episode, where I'll be showing you how to secure your WHMCS. All right, we need to secure our WHMCS because we will be hosting people websites. We don't want to run an insecure software which will be vulnerable to hackers. So thank you, and I'll see you in that video. Take care.